Let's see one more example. Suppose this is a building, and from the building I project an object upward. It will go to the maximum height. Okay, now let us say the object is projected with a velocity u. Then you get this this maximum height reached by the object above the building. H is equal to, there is a formula, u square by 2g. Okay, how this has come, that we will see later, but here we are trying to understand that this physical parameter h, u and g are interrelated. Now let us try to do our dimensional analysis and let us see, are we getting the same thing or not. Okay, so I can say that h is proportional to u power some a and g power some b. We don't know that it is, we don't know the powers right now, we are trying to derive. Okay, so or h is equal to, what is u? U is speed. Speed means distance by time, lt power minus 1. So lt power minus 1 to the power of a, and g is acceleration due to gravity. We have done in the previous problem. Acceleration dimension formula is lt power minus 2 to the power of b. Okay, so if you simplify, this is h is equal to L power a plus b and t power minus a minus 2b. So in the left hand side there is height. Height means length, so we can replace this as L power 1. There is no mass, there is no time, so t power 0. So again we will match the powers of L and t separately. So 1 is equal to a plus b and 0 is equal to minus 8 minus 2b. So here I can write a is equal to minus 2b. If I put this in this equation, instead of a I will write minus 2b. Minus 2b plus 1 is equal to, minus 2b plus b is equal to 1, or minus b is equal to 1, or b is equal to minus 1. If I put b is equal to minus 1, I get a is equal to minus 2 into minus 1, I get 2. So the value of a is 2 and the value of b is minus 1. So I can say that h is proportional to u power 2 and g power minus 1, or h is proportional to u square by g. So this is the relationship, but I cannot say exactly that h is equal to u square by 2g. So this is a limitation of dimensional formula, but however you can establish the interrelationship between the physical parameters on the left hand side and the right hand side. See, the physical parameter on the left hand side are dependent upon u and g. U and g are independent parameters, but h is dependent upon u and g. So to establish the relationship we need dimensional analysis.